main thing I want to focus on in this video is telling you exactly what to do to get multiple cars into your fleet. You see, in order for me to have all 7 cars, there's stuff that I had to do because I have an online business that's generating me some very good, significant amount of money there. So my online business is booming. In fact, just yesterday I make 4K. The day before yesterday I make 4. Today is the 9th, September 9th. I'm making this video. Haven't made any money today, but I do. Somewhere around 10 a.m. or 5, I should start seeing some money there popping up soon. So I'm selling ebook package online, and it's been pretty good. And got outsourcing. There's a lot of things that involve in selling it to be making that type of money, obviously. But again, I needed something physical, so I needed to do something physical. I need a physical business, So I find Turo, and then Turo seems to be cool. Everybody's talking nowadays. Everywhere you turn, Turo, and I like cars. I think I'm a big fan of driving. I love driving. I even said if I had to get a job driving related. Okay, so now let's see. Let me talk about the cars, how you can get more cars for Turo. The best thing to do, really, if you're going to buy more cars, is to have your spouse. If you married, you're planning to do Turo as a family-owned business, you can have your spouse to go finance a couple cars. I think your spouse should be able to finance at least 3 cars under her name. Then after she finances 3 cars under her name, then you go and co-sign for, you sign in 3 cars under your name. Then after you sign 3 cars under your name, if you have an LLC, you can finance 3 other cars. You see, all these cars that I bought right now, none of them is under my name. Besides this one, but I pay cash for it, and the Nissan. So I use my LLC to finance those 3 cars. Boom. And I use my wife to finance those 2 cars. So my wife name financed those 2 cars, the Kia Optima and then the Jeep Renegade. And then my business signed in for the Kia Sorento and then the Kia Sportage and the Nissan Kick. So now I still haven't used my name for anything yet. And I have good credit. I did co-sign for my business for a car so I can build my business credit. That was a Cadillac that I have a few months ago, actually back in December. I had that Cadillac. It got crashed, total. Someone rear-ended my wife. So I did co-sign because I did co-sign for that, but that was the only thing I used my credit for besides my mortgage, and that's it. I don't have any credit cards. I don't have any negative on my credit. My credit score is pretty high, So what I'm gonna do now, sometime this month or December, I'm thinking wait for the market to crash to go with my name to try to buy more cars because I need to have 10 cars before the year end. So I'm just keeping an eye on the market so I can buy 10 cars under my name. I mean, like 3 cars under my name, and that will put me into 10 cars. So this is pretty much a great technique. And not only you can buy with your business name, you can also have, now the next thing I can do, I can have my wife co-sign for the business. I can go back and have her co-sign for my business. And I can also have me co-sign for the business again for more cars. So there's plenty technique of ways. As long as they don't use the same bank to finance your cars, you should be fine. And then if you have some friends and family, some good friends and family you can trust, you can also have them go and help you finance those cars. You can have them go and tell them, hey, you'll take care of everything, all the monthly payment, nothing to worry about. Just go ahead. Make sure you got gap though. That's gonna be a big deal. So when you buy those cars, you need to have gap for it. So right now it's showing I have 5 cars operating because my Mercedes is in the shop, and my Nissan also have my other big Nissan Pathfinder has a recall, and too, and those things come up. So those are the things you have to keep in mind for. So sometimes you run to a problem where you have no choice but to kind of like sit back and wait until the problem fixed. So I got two cars that's not making me money right now, which is the Mercedes because somebody crashed it, and I also need to do an inspection by Turo, but I couldn't do it because the car crashed. It was supposed to be on August. Now, my Nissan also have a safety recall, so that's why it's unlisted. So I didn't get to make too much money with this car, but it was getting booking like crazy. I was very excited. I bought this car because I like road trip, and I was very, you know, pretty much disappointed that I didn't get to make enough money with this car. Now, hopefully you find value in this video. Again, as simple as that. If you have a business already, you want to make sure you buy cars under your business name. Get a credit card too so it can start building your business credit. So my business credit is pretty good because I have a credit card I've been using for my business. So, I had got that long time ago. And so that's one of the reasons why I was able to finance three cars with my business. So get an LLC if you don't have one, and then trying to open a bank account, get a small credit card so you can start building your credit with your business. Then you can start building your own credit. And so it just worked that way. You buy cars under your name, then you buy cars under your business name. Then if you have a spouse, you buy a car under her name. Then you guys can partner together. In fact, I haven't financed, besides my mortgage, I haven't financed anything else with my wife. So there's still room for more cars. I can go to a dealership and try to co-sign with her for a car, and I'm pretty sure we should be fine because she has good credit, my credit is good. I mean, the only thing that could probably stop us is a lot of inquiries because we've been applying for so much credit. These car dealership, they just run your credit to like so many bank, and then trying to find you the best deal, which sometimes could be an issue. Yeah, so hopefully you'll find value. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.